getting done. Hello, awesome squad. I'm doing a bit of cleaning this morning. Yeah, the place is a mess. I know Kasani does really bad, and it doesn't make any sense you pick them up, but I have to pick them up because it's getting to me. I have this OCD thing, so I'm just cleaning up my room. That's just my little space, and I want to keep it tidy. So I'm picking up, putting away the toys and stuff. He still has toys out in the living room. Toys are even hidden around AJ's room. I've hidden toys in the closet. I want to do a rotation, but once he catches where you hide them, he doesn't stop going there until he gets them. That's Kasani over there in his little bed doing his own little thing. I'm gonna show you what's gonna happen. He's watching me clean this place. He's watching me with the broom, and he's watching me sweep up and clean up, and you guys are gonna see what's gonna happen. That's him right over there. Alright, I'll show you. Hi Kasani. Alright, so he's all not concerned. So I cleaned up, and guys, you're gonna see why it makes no sense I clean up, because I'm setting up the camera and I'm gonna go and do some laundry. I'm just gonna go out for 5 minutes, and you will see what happens when I come back in. You'll see what happens when I get back in here. I'm not gonna trouble you. Let me fold up this blanket. Do you want it? Take your foot off me. No, no, no. You're giving me that eye. Look at that smile. Okay guys, I am done cleaning up. I'm going to show you the finished product. Right, so I got my bed made, and I picked up the toys, and yeah, I picked up all the toys. So I'm just letting you see the place and see that the floor is way clean, nothing is there. Alright, I packed up all the toys that are in the room. There are some strewn in the living room, but these are in the room. And this is Kasani still here playing and watching me. So guys, I'm gonna go outside and I'm gonna set up the camera, and you are gonna see what this child does with this room in less than 5 minutes. I kid you not. day, so I won't tell him the lies. So this is what, yeah, this is the damage that he's done tonight. There's a plate there, and he has all of his toys there, and he will sleep on them. Yeah, that's just him. I think he takes these out during the days to lie down on them. Yes. And if you move it, he'll come back for it. I have to go through every single day. Can you imagine waking up in the middle of the night and things are sticking you all over in your body? Well, I guess I'm used to that by now because that's Kasani. And when you get up to go to the bathroom, you're tripping over stuff. That will happen to me because I fall asleep before him at nights. But what I do, as soon as I get up in the mornings, I try to clear everything and clean up, and as soon as he gets up, it's back to square one. But what can I do? That's Kasani. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please remember to follow us on Instagram to see how Kasani and I are doing, and you can support me by buying me a cup of coffee, which would be much appreciated. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.